Hi, my name is DeBerg, and I am coming to Cameroon on January 18 and 19 to lead a 2-day teacher training workshop for anyone in Cameroon who wants to become a certified teacher of entrepreneurship education, targeting students between the ages of 13 and 19. Now, why do I do this? I love to teach people how to start their own businesses in order to exercise their creativity and innovation. Once someone learns to become an entrepreneur, they can either start their own business and try to make it successful, and if they don't succeed on the first time, they will learn how to succeed on the second or the third time. Because once one has the entrepreneurial attitude, one can create their own job rather than rely on the government or to rely on other businesses to employ you. So if you get the entrepreneurial attitude through the program I'm teaching in this 2-day workshop called Turning Risk into Success, then you will then be better equipped to either teach others or to start your own business yourself. Thank you.